Out here doing it before and after on these headlights. And I must say, you can see the difference. Yes, you can. Go ahead and swap these out. That one didn't come out as clear as that one, but it's okay. Just something simple as headlights make a car look different. Just did a little headlight restoration. Look a whole lot better. For real. Yeah, that ain't bad at all. Look a little clear. Yes, sir. Alright, YouTube. So, right here, I ended up going to my cousin's house. And, I basically came over there to change my lower control arms. Because this particular day, it rained. And, I told myself, shoot, I got to get this SUV ready so we can take it to the CNC Carshow. I said I want to take this on the road just to see, give it a road test, just see how I drive, So, I ended up getting the control arms. I went to a little pull apart. I got two control arms. I paid, I want to say $60 for them. They're not brand new. They used, came off of Expedition. I just got something so I could put on there because the plan was to sell this vehicle. But now, we're just going to go ahead and keep it. I'm going to go ahead and give it to my son because he's about to start driving. He'll turn 15 later this year. And, he's a big boy. So instead of selling this and trying to find something else to get for him, we're going to just keep it. And, this is going to be his vehicle. So, yeah. I mean, can't beat that. Like I said, a while back, I don't know if I posted or whatever, this is a $900 vehicle right here, which it came with 22-inch rims on it. I sold the 22-inch rims for $400, so basically it's a $500 vehicle. And yeah, can't beat it, not at all. It is SUV. Yeah, it had some problems with it. It needed lower control arms because the bushings there were broke. When you press on the brake, you would slide. You can hear it because it wasn't no bushing in it. It was just metal on metal, so you can hear it like sliding up on the metal. So, I ended up replacing them. I changed one coil pack, which the owner said it needed a coil pack change. So I changed the coil pack, and I also changed the driver window regulator because the window was off track. As of right now, only thing I really have to do is the rear passenger window. I have to take that off. So, once I take that off and replace that, we good. But yeah, I said, we're gonna go ahead and take this right here because, it's a nice vehicle. I'm fixing it up. It ain't, the newest of the newest out there. It's just a vehicle. Something, that's dependable. Is, it still hold its weight in these streets. It still look good. It's spacious. AC work, heat work. Everything straight on the vehicle. So of course, I said, let me go ahead and get this thing right so we can drive it. But yeah, once I put those lower control arms on, you can feel a difference in the drivability. And yes, like I said, I mean, like you see in this video, or like you would see in this video, like you will see in this video at the end, you know, it took us all the way to South Haven, Mississippi with no problems. Drove there and we came back with no problems. So yeah, I mean, some people will say there's not no good deals out here on these cars, you know, with like, you know, older cars. Like this one right here, it has 230,000 miles when I got it, which, you know, when I see miles like that, it doesn't bother me, because, you know, I know a little bit about cars. I don't know everything about it. So I see something like that, I automatically say to myself, I can fix it. You know, I can, you know, do my thing to it, get it to where, you know, it's running and driving good, and either keep it or sell it. So with this right here, when he told me it needed a coil pack, I was kind of skeptical, you know, but I ended up getting it anyway and changed the coil pack. That's what it was. And ever since then, it's been driving good, no skipping. It don't burn oil. There's no leaks. Like I said, it's a good running and driving vehicle. So, of course, I wanted to take that on a road trip. You feel me? Yeah, I ain't gonna hold y'all. I'm just gonna, you know, let y'all, you know, continue watching this video. That's if y'all still watching the video. I'm glad that the people that are watching it, you know, they're watching it. If you like this content, you know, like, comment, share, and subscribe. You know, give your boy a thumbs up. Leave a comment, let your boy know, you know, you rock with him. And yeah, I'll hit you back whenever I can. I'm trying to, you know, be on it like I'm supposed to. So, yeah. I mean, I ain't gonna hold y'all. I'm gonna let y'all, you know, continue watching the video. And yeah, I'll get with y'all a little later. Just checking in South Haven. It's nice over here though. They renovate. That's great though.